What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. It is 5 o'clock in the morning right now and I'm headed towards Ohil's house right now. We'll go to Ohil's house, set up all the GoPro and everything. We have a special day today. Every vlog we do, it is all special vlogs because we put in a lot of effort and everything just to make the vlogs for you guys. So let us begin the journey today, and we are going to Ohil's house because I have to help him set up the GoPro and everything over there. Yeah, like I said, we finally have drone shots on the channel, and we'll be going towards there's a place called Arwani Grids that is kind of a race track. For it is actually a go-kart track, but they let all the bikers also use the race track. It's near Sarjapur main road, and we'll be heading over there. We're going to be showing drone shots, we're going to be showing track shots, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. Finally, Ohil is here. He's all ready. I'm all ready. It's time for us to leave. As you can see, Ohil right there. All good to go. Driving his bike up. Let's go. Let the ride begin. Finally, we are here on the nice road, and two brothers finally unite
after a long time.
After
Freaking
5
long
months?
time. More than that.
And there is Niranjan. Say hi. And there's a bike. There's Chetan. Gaurav is there, and hi. And there's Niranjan's friend. After a long time.
And the weather is beautiful today.
It's cold.
Not cold. It's like
You can see the clouds. It's so
beautiful. And thanks to my iPhone
flex, hashtag flex.
So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. After this, we're gonna go to the track, Arwani Grids.
And we have beautiful shots planned for you guys.
And
We have beautiful equipment.
wait for it. Let's finish stuff over here, and we'll move there. I'll show you something. Oh yeah, boy.
Alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Out here on the track, Niranjan.
Hey guys,
How
we're finally
excited
going
are
to
you?
go to the track. It's a very exciting experience right now, and I'm really thrilled.
Second time on the same bike on the same
Second time on the same bike. Thanks to a person, we had to delay the shoot, and a lot of things happened behind the scenes. But fortunately, thanks to the guys here at Arwani Grid, we finally are getting to ride once again.
We are getting a green signal. Let's go.
All right, let's go, guys.
Gaurav, Chetan, let's go. So on the track, here's the track, Arwani Grid. Thank you for the Arwani Grid people for allowing us to shoot. There was a lot of delay in the previous, so this video was shot almost 6 months ago and it never came out. So right now we are shooting it again. Come on, bro. Niranjan. Good luck, mate. Easy. Tiger, easy, Tiger. Let's go. Chetan.
So going on track for the first time, guys. Man, what a feeling on the track, babe. It's so beautiful, and the adrenaline rush when you're riding on a track is completely different. Oh man. Man, this machine is a work of art. Thanks to the Arvani Grid guys for letting us use the track for all the video shoots. What an experience, man. I surely can't bend like those people, but as people say, practice always makes a man perfect. If I keep coming to the tracks frequently, then surely one day you can see knee scrapes too from my side. Man, what an experience. Man, the adrenaline rush you get when you're riding on the track is completely different, man. What an experience. What an experience, man. What an experience.
What's up?
Everything's down, nothing's up, don't worry.
Finally, the shoot is done, and Ohil Maharaj did not want to see his bike getting beeped on the track, so he didn't even come and watch the shoot.
That's just my love for my darling. I don't want to see my bike getting
Beeped.
by another person.
Yeah, it was an amazing shoot.
But then that bike deserves so much.
That bike is made for the track, and it is being used on a track, but not on the right track though. Oh shoot. See the beat, trap with the beat. Brown Monday, what the hell, bro? Damn, the axle. Oh, wait. Don't tell me the bus went inside. Shit. Yeah, but it was a successful shoot finally. Due to this was supposed to come out on Ohil's. This video, what we shot for Get Set Anaki, was supposed to come on Ohil's birthday, which is on September 17th.
October 17th.
October 17th, but yeah, due to multiple reasons it couldn't come on the channel, and we had to reshoot it again, and finally we shot it. Thanks to Chetan for coming and helping us with the shoot.
And you might be wondering where my bike is. Don't worry, I didn't ditch the bike.
His bike?
I didn't ditch the bike somewhere. Our friend, dear friend, didn't get coming. It's too hot outside.
You can see it there. Gaurav is riding and coming. And Ohil didn't want to ride.
Because, like always, because we're going back home and I want to sit comfortably
And go home.
in the car. Instead of...
Yeah, and yeah. All in all, it was a good day. And I got to ride on the track.
Yeah,
I rode 6 hours on the track.
Samar rode 6 hours on the track. Tell us an experience on the bike.
The adrenaline rush you get when you're riding on the track is completely different.
Was it difficult?
It wasn't difficult because this bike is a little bit easy to handle compared to the other bikes.
Because it's made for the track.
Yes, this bike is nimble and it's
Easy to control.
It's fast, super fast. I'll add the clips on the vlog. I've done the motovlogging part on that. I'll add the clips in the vlog. But it is an experience of a lifetime.
इसी बात पे like बनता है boys.
इसी बात पे hit like and do subscribe.
Hit like and do subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram if you're not following us on Instagram, because the BTS is always going to be on Instagram.
It's not only about the BTS, pictures, our day to day, what videos are coming, everything.
The photos we got today.
Oh my god.
I'll put it ping, 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 ping.
Yeah, I can follow his photography account, The Seized
Moment,
where everything about supercars and superbikes, all beautiful, orgasmic pictures are there. So,
and make sure to follow Chetan also. I'll put his
Chetan, aka Praful.
I'll put his link in the description box below.
Yeah.
On that note,
see you guys in another vlog.
Adios amigos.
And
take care,
guys,
stay safe.
Keep supporting and
Keep loving us, keep supporting.
because that's what matters the most. And rest is history.
With that said, adios amigos.